Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Stars 100. Doing a vloggy weekly update thing. Just been playing Minecraft. Here, that's me. I'm your ruler. Gonna wait. Yeah. Been playing on Minecraft this morning. Mainly just wanted to tell you about the gangsters and walking on. Oh, this is. Who you think we can? Republic dude. Old Republic dude in there. They died. Yeah, basically, just these two gangsters. I can't really see his head. Do this. This dude's got that. All I'm doing is waiting for the new brick arms Tommy. The new brick arms Saber shotgun to revive, and I'll give him the showcase video. Also, like to know, it's a very simple minifig. I'd like to know if I could do a showcase on him. He's extraordinary, and of course, so showcase on my Old Republic trooper, but you can't see me yet. Yeah, so tell me if you want me to do him. It's quite simple. Yeah. I've been working on that lately. There's a micro scale mark. Little spaceship. Yeah. Oh. Math, what? Look out the window, see what time it is. Early morning. Again. Yeah. I got one last thing. I slightly modified my Warzone Han Solo by giving him a pistol like he has in Lego Star Wars, the video game. You say, why did you do that? And my only response would be, I was bored. Look, like you're with the pistol, it's like, you drew it. Boom. Here's Luke Skywalker's amputated body. Had to amputate his legs for these dudes. Yeah, I do have two Luke Skywalkers. Back to Minecraft now, making a ton of noise. That probably means it wants me to play on it. Here's over my house. There's my shed. Is that ton of skeletons? I think that is. Whoa, creep up. I'm gonna go now and kill that creeper. Because creepers are evil if you don't play Minecraft. Yeah, just wanted to show these gangsters. Sorry. Really tired. Yeah, see you in the next video. There in Minecraft.